My name is Chris Morgan. I'm an alumnus of the writing program in fiction at Johns Hopkins University. And this is my lightning talk, Environment as Other. Okay, so a lightning talk should include electricity, the kind that wakes us up. During the evacuation of Santa Cruz County, my son sent me pictures of night at midday, of the sun eclipsed by the smoke of the CZU lightning complex fire on its way to devouring 86,000 acres of living earth. Pictures of a city gone gray, layered in apocalyptic ash. Are 11,000 lightning bolts sparking 7,718 wildfires, razing 3.5 million acres of the state of California enough to wake us up? See, a mistake we humans keep making as we face or deny the crisis of planetary climate change and extinction is our perspective on nature as other, as that, as it. This is a foundational fallacy. It's a heuristic construct and a fatal blind spot. Robin Kimmerer writes that grammar is how we chart relationships through language, including our relationship with the earth. Linguistic imperialism crafts separations that pave the way to objectification and exploitation. So what's the relationship between the fires laying waste the American West and the fires for racial equity and justice that have broken out in cities all over the country? What fuel lines run between them, feeding the burning? Amid firefighters in the redwoods and paramilitary assault troops at the courthouse, who will consider the common source? Here's the question of hope. Can we reach through the illusion of otherness and separation to the reality of interdependence, to the necessary radiance of diversity? Hope means understanding the Buddhist wisdom that there is no I apart from you, whether the pronoun referent is human or animal or plant. Maybe we need to sit quietly amidst the chaos for a moment with Jackson Pollock's declaration, "I do not paint nature, I am nature." Maybe we need to sit with Dylan Thomas's declaration, "The force that blasts the roots of trees is my destroyer." Maybe we should consider whether a world without tigers or insects can accommodate the human species, whether an earth without the Tongass forest or the Borneo Islands can be handed on to our children as anything more than a place of despair and longing and acceptance of the dark end of things. Will the lightning wake us up?